This is going to be a room tour of my room at the Hyatt Regency Boston Harbor in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm on the 12th floor in room 1218, which is right there. But first, let's get a view out the window. It's weird because like the windows in this hotel are like low down. There's Logan Airport. There's the ferry terminal, and there's the ocean. Look at that weird handle. It's like this. So for your safety features, you have the deadbolt and the lock like this. Yeah. Here's a map of the hotel. Here are the 3 elevators. They're glass Fujitech. Maybe we'll take a ride on them at the end of this video. The service elevator, 2 stairs, and here's our room. We have this light switch that controls this light. A mirror and a thermostat. It's pretty cool. This closet is nice because you don't have your luggage rack and everything else out in the open. You have an ironing board, an iron, a few hangers, some toilet paper, a hair dryer, and a safe. You can see how this works. Close door and press reset. Enter your code. Let's do 1212. Lock. We have that. Opens. It's pretty nice. Next we'll take a look at the bathroom. It's a really nice bathroom. There's a sink right here. Conditioner, shampoo, body lotion, and body wash. A mirror on the wall. Here's your toilet. Some makeup stuff, I think. I'm not a girl, so I don't really know. Some towels, nice picture on the wall, and a shower with an art shower curtain, which is nice. Take this off. So this is a really nice room, in my opinion. A trash can. And then we have this big long stand with a big TV on it. Big TV for a hotel room. It is a Samsung. We can turn it on. Hopefully it turns on. Maybe it won't. I'll have to figure that out. Some nice drinking cups. And we have a chair right here. A little stand next to it with the in-room dining menu. Crave menu, it says. And here's our view. This is the airport. Very nice view. I mean, it is extra to pay for the oceanfront view, but this is a pretty good view because you get to see that whole runway. It's pretty cool. There's a light. Nice firm beds. We got a double queen. We have this the cool thing about this light is that it lights up at the bottom. This is our stuff, I think. And the maid left a note. And I guess this is the actual in-room dining menu. I don't know what this is. Guest services, it says. Nice hotel phone. We have a Holy Bible in here with some magazines and a Boston book. Forgot to mention the coffee maker, all kinds of different stuff. Complimentary for elite members. Otherwise, it's charged at $3. I mean, I've been in hotels where it's $6 to $7, so that's pretty good. I don't know how to turn this on. Right here? I don't think it's plugged in. That's a pretty cool light, though. So yeah, it's a pretty nice room. I guess we can go check out the elevators. Let's make sure I have my room key. I always do this. Whenever I film a hotel tour, I put my room key down. It's in the bathroom. Okay, I think that's all I need. Let's go. So this is what the hallways look like. Pretty high-end, nice hotel. Here's Boston. And here's the airport. And that's where the service elevator is. Go up to 15 and then down to 1 and end it there. Cool thing about this is the light lights up before it gets here. I have filmed a video of these on my channel. Okay, you can see all the way down. There used to be like a lighthouse thing at the top of this, but look at that lobby button. Oops, I push lobby. We'll go back up to 15 after. If there's no one at the lobby, if there's someone, then I'll have to end it. Big boat out there. Key card reader, but you don't have to use it. Top 10 things to do in Boston. $350 feet per minute, 2,500 pound capacity. And did it 12. And I guess that's it.